What is up, YouTube? How you doing? This is Dave. If you haven't noticed, it's quite a few days after the Holden Showdown, and there's no video yet. Well, very simple reason for that. One, I was so insanely busy the day of, I didn't take any after I actually was driving there. I took a bunch of videos going to the track, didn't take any actual videos at the track, believe it or not. It was an insane day, guys, and at some point I'll go through that for you. But no fear, there's actually a ton of videos that have been taken, a ton of pictures. I will make them available to everyone who's interested. They were filmed by Michael Korsner. He is from Jersey Devil Photo LLC. I'll have it here, the link inside this video. He did a phenomenal job. He showed up a few minutes after I did it, like 8:15, and he left only a few minutes before I did, after 4 o'clock. It was a phenomenal event, folks. If you were there, thank you so very much for being there. I cannot wait to do the next one. We had a great time. There was way more cars than I expected to be there. So I think we originally, it was probably about 2-3 days beforehand, I was struggling to get the 20 cars that I needed, 25 cars I needed. And then within those last 2-3 days, it just exploded. Like, we had damn near close to 60 cars there. At least 40 of them, maybe a little more, were probably making runs. We had mostly Holdens, but there was actually quite a few folks from other makes and models there as well representing. I just want to take a chance, just very quickly to thank, first, all the guys that showed up for the Holden Showdown. I'm glad you guys had a great time. I cannot wait to do it next year. Tentatively, I'm working on dates. There's going to be hopefully 2 events next year, so stay tuned for that. Big thank you, like I said, to Michael Korsner. He did a phenomenal job with the videoing. I cannot wait to show you guys the videos. Maybe I'll give you a teaser trailer really soon on that. For today, I'm going to keep it simple, but first, let me just go down the list. Big thanks to all the guys who helped me with this, but shout out to the guys at Complete Street Performance, particularly Andrew. He helped me. I was in a bit of a jam. I was working with Shane, and unfortunately, I had some issues with my computer that were irreparable, and I could no longer interface to my computer on the car. So it was an update. It was HP Tuner's update. It just bricked my interface. I could not recover. It's an old computer. No one at fault. But I reached out to Andrew at CSP, and he came through big time. He actually was at the event with Nick, Guitar Mageddon ZL1. Both their links are here. And they both, Nick actually ran his fastest pass ever. He finally ripped an 8, so congratulations to you, Nick. And Andrew had his twin-turbo vet out, which is just an awesome thing to look at. And while they were working, they were obviously working on their cars, I had a chance. Took me a while, but I finally got the pig together. And like I said, long story. I'll get into it at some other point. But the car is here. I made a pass. I'm extremely happy about that. I made a mid-11-second pass on the 3rd run on what are considered street tires. Considering that the first run, we had weird air-fuel ratios, and I didn't even get the car run until about 2:30 in the afternoon. We did first pass that I let out very early, no burnout. Second pass, tried to get in it, was way out of the groove. Andrew did a quick update to the tune, said go wide open throttle, do a burnout. So we fried the bolognas, and I was out of the groove and trying to watch my O2 sensor, which was rigged up. Long story short, it was a mess. The pass, I danced over towards the wall. So 3rd pass, did a big fat ass burnout, just roasted them, and lined up better, more in the groove. And it was a very pig rich tune, to be careful, to be safe. And I took off, and it was a little bit of a bog off the line, but man, when that thing hit, it was gone. So I will hopefully have some videos for you guys very shortly on that. Like I said, I'm getting them from Mike, and I just didn't take any videos, so shame on me. Start jamming me with those thumbs down. I greatly appreciate it. Please don't do that. But it was just really awesome, guys. So I figure I'm just gonna stop rambling and give you a little tour of the car as it stands. So cue that music. Bangarang. So there you have it, guys. There's a nice quick walk around of the car. Where I'm at currently, I definitely still have some work to do. So, you know, that just comes with the territory when you slam dunk something together. But I can't thank the people involved in the showdown enough. Thanks again for Andrew and Nick for showing up. Thanks, Andrew, for your help. Thanks for everybody along the way who got me parts last minute, overnighted it to get me here. And big thanks to my wife for kicking me in the ass and getting me on that trailer on Saturday night, because there was a really, really strong chance I was not going to take the car. But kept thrashing, got it there. I'm glad I did. Lots more great stuff to come, especially a dyno video at CSP, and then plenty of road footage and some racing. So we're not done yet for the season, not by a long shot. So thanks for watching. Keep on watching, and thanks to the new subscribers, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Take care.